calls me today. He says, hey man, I got a motorcycle and an ATV that needs the brakes bled on it. I said, okay, I can do that. How much you charge me? Well, I drive over there. Do I need to bring brake fluid? Okay. Yeah, I can do it. An hour per deal, $75 an hour. $75 a new motorcycle, $75 a new ATV. Man says, well, I already hired another guy to do it. But if they can't seem to get the job done, I'll call you. I said, no, sir. I don't come behind nobody else and fix their stupid mistakes. Motorcycle brakes, that's your life. I don't advertise that I work on motorcycles, but I am a certified Harley-Davidson technician. I'm certified in all 3 Japanese brands, all 4 Japanese brands of motorcycles. I work on ATV brakes all the time. I don't play when it comes to brakes. Brakes is your life. And if that fella gets over there and messes up his brakes, or doesn't get it bled right, ends up with an air bubble in it that he don't know about, and it shakes loose in the middle of a ride, and this fella steps on his brake because somebody just pulled out in front of him and he ain't got no brakes on his motor scooter, let me tell you what's going to happen. He's probably going to die, or he's going to get injured real bad. Now, I've never seen it happen because of a technician at one of the shops that I worked at, it being their fault. But I've seen many of my customers walk into the Harley dealership one day, grinning like big dogs. They gonna buy themselves a new Harley. You ain't never seen a man smile. You ain't never seen a man smile the way he smiles whenever he takes possession of a brand new Harley. It's a smile from ear to ear, and it lasts for a long time until he gets that grin on his face. He goes by. Yes, he smiles like a big dog. So, here these guys are with these brand new Harleys, and they're like, and you ask them, man, you ride? Yeah, I ride. Ride all the time. I used to race when I was a kid. Alright, you got it down then. You know what you're doing? This is the clutch, this is the brake. You got a brake over there, here's your turn signals. You know, you go over the bike with them, and you turn them loose with it. And they go around the building, and they come back, and boy, they are lit up like children on Christmas Day. But you see them wobble, and it's like, man, this dude really can't ride that good, man. He's fixing to get out on the road. He's fixing to, oh my goodness, he's fixing to start riding with his buddies. And his buddies may be pretty good riders, but that don't mean that he's a good rider. And they can't reach out there and grab the brake for him or hold him up when he comes to a stop at a red light. And then you got the guy that buys a brand new motorcycle and you deliver it to his house. You go over the bike with him at his house. You deliver it on a trailer. Or you got the customer that shows up to pick his brand new Harley up on a trailer. It sure is sad. It sure is sad whenever you see a man smiling and as happy as what they are whenever they buy them brand new bikes and leave, and they come back a week later walking on crutches, all broke up and bruised up with black eyes and broken arms, broken legs, broken femurs. You ask them, man, what happened? What happened? Because you want to know. You set that bike up. Oh, man. We were doing great, man. We were riding down the road, me and my buddy. And I got to this curve, and next thing I knowed, I was in the ditch. He didn't lean. He didn't lean into the curve. Man, I hit him. I was in the ditch, and next thing you know, I tried to hit the brakes, and I was on the throttle. I didn't hit the culvert, but I hit the embankment next to the culvert, jumped the whole driveway, went across the road, and hit a tree. Oh my God. Yes. I have heard that story, that very same story. Scooby-Doo, where are you? My buddy, brand new Harley Davidson, $10,000 worth of damage to it. Plus he spent 2 weeks in the hospital. Broken leg, broken pelvis bone, broken arm, 2 black eyes, and a concussion because he wasn't wearing a helmet. I can ride. So you just let them people mess with your brakes, and but don't call me when they screw them up. No, that's your baby. I'm out of here.